here to teach you how to play these Highlife bass lines. If you're interested, try to watch the whole video. If you want to take your play to the next level, DM me on WhatsApp. You see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the breakdown. So I'll be giving you 4 ways to play the intro. Then I'll teach you the main bass line to the main groove. Okay, so I'll be giving you like 4 bass lines to the intro and maybe 4 bass lines you can groove with. So now let's look at the first groove to the intro. So the bass line to that goes like this. So that is 6/6. 1 2 2. You have your 6 here. 1 2, then 2, then 5 5, 7 1 1. So you can bring it to the higher note here. Okay, so the last one I did was so you'll be sliding to the toe, that is your 7 flat. Seven flat, 6, 5, 4, then to the 5, 4, 3. Okay. Okay, so now the second bass line to the intro. Then to the 4, five 1 1, 5 1 1 1, 1 4 4, 2 5 5 5. So now you'll be sliding to the 6, 5 5 5, 4 4 4, 2 2 2, 5 5 5, 4 4 4, 3. Now to the third one. So you can use this walking bass line for the intro. So 1 to 6, you can do it 1 7 6, then 1 sharp, 2, then 4 sharp to the 5, then to the 1 you do 7 1, then going to the 6 again you can do 5 sharp, then to the 6. You can also do 3 2, or you can do 2 flat or 2, then you can do 6 5, then 1, or 7 1, or you can do 2 1. So it depends, either you'll be using the flat or the sharp note, or you can just use the normal note. So the sharp note is and the normal note is so now to the last bass line. You go to the 6, 6, you do like this. So remember what I'm teaching here, you can do to all of the progression. So from 1 here to the 6, 2 3 6 6, 2 3 6 6, to the 2 progression, 5 6 2 2, to the 5 progression, 1 2 5 5, then back to the 1 progression, 4 5 1 1. So if you're on a 6 progression, you're using this straight string, That is from your key A, D, and your G. So the middle string with the 3 strings you'll be using, that's where you start. So to the 2 progression, to the 5, to the 1. So that's how you do it. 1 1 1 3 3 3 4 4 4 2 2 2 5 5 5 7 7 7 1 1 1. That's it. Okay, so now to the main groove. So it goes like this, from 1 to the 4 to the 5. So you have 1 2 3 4 to the 5. So you do 2 5 4 5 5 1 1 1 1. Then you're still on the 1 5. So you play, then 1 7 flat, then 1. Okay. Then you now continue 1 4 4 4 4 2 5 5 5 1 1 1 1 5 1 7 flat 1. That is todo. And the second one. So 1 5 1 1. Then you play 2 3 2 1 4 2 5 5 5 1 1. Then you continue. You understand? So the main thing is when you're on the 1, do like this. On the 5, then you continue. So now to the second bass line, to the groove. So it's very simple. Okay, so when you end 1 da 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 da, you start on the 2, you end on the intro da 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 2, then so it goes like this. So when you don't play the 2, then 1 2 5 5 5 1 1 1. Then you do it again. 1 2 5 5 5 2 2 2, just like that. Okay. Again. So 2 2 2 1 1 1. So it is 2 ways. That's the first one, and the or you get it. So okay, so now to the third bass line, to the same song. So when you end on the intro, then you start with da da da. Five six 5 6 2 2 2 2 5 6 5 5 1 1 1 5 6 5 6 2 2 2 2. You can do 5 6 5 5 1 1 1. Okay. 5 6 5 6 2 2 2 2 3 1 2 5 1 1 1. Then what I did, 5 6 2 3 4 6 4 2 4 5 5 1 1 1. Then you continue. Today is simple, so 5 5 5 to the 2 2 6 2, then 5 5 5 to the 1 1 5 1 5 5 5 2 6 2 5 5 5, then 1 5 1, just like that. The song will be posted in the Telegram group. Try to join the group and get the song and practice with it. Okay, I'll be seeing you guys in the next live lesson. Bye for now.